Hi. So we're here today. We're getting lunch and we're about to go parasailing. I mean, we would record, but it's kind of hard to do that when you're up in the air above the water.
Right.
Oh,
That's
our
our food.
food's.
I'll go get it. I'll be right back.
We got burgers. French fries burger. We'll update you later.
We're at the parasailing place. Insert the photo. Focus.
Yeah, we're on like a random dog right now.
Yeah.
No. We just got done eating burgers. They were very filling.
Probably shouldn't have ate before we got in the water.
Oh, that's kind of true. Yeah, we just posted video one.
Go view it.
We're in the process of editing video 2. And we're in the process of recording video 3.
We still have. What's today? Wednesday?
Yeah.
Thursday, Friday, Saturday. We have 3 more videos. So in total, it's 6 videos?
6. We might be able to get a few little scenery videos on the boat.
Hopefully. We're probably gonna be in the middle of the ocean though.
Okay. What's your favorite quote? What's your favorite quote?
My favorite quote? It's in my notes app, but I can't remember it. What's your favorite quote? And then I'll replay or add it later. Or my quote.
Hurt people hurt people.
Oh, I get it. Like, hurt people.
Hurt people. Yeah.
Right. Those who get it, get it.
Yeah.
Those who don't. We're heading to the boat right now. Kind of nervous. Not really. A little bit. Pray we don't die.
I've never done this before, but I'm surprised I'm not scared because I hate roller coasters. I hate heights.
Dang.
I hate a lot of things, but I'm not scared for this.
You just need to ride a roller coaster with me. Come
Kind of
on.
like that simulator from yesterday. The roller coaster simulator.
Yeah,
I was
that's
not
not
scared of
really
it. It was
like-
actually really fun.
It was because we would lift out of our seats. You'll see it you'll see it in day 2.
Well, yeah, but
That's
you won't
faster.
actually see it because we can bring our phones in.
Yeah, but there's a whole explanation, isn't there? Or we can add one.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, well we gotta go. So I. Hey guys.
We're back home. It was pretty eventful. It was really fun, right?
Yeah, it was really hot though.
Yeah, we got waterboarded at the end whenever they dunked us in. We just got back home and
Oh my.
we're probably about to change a few clothes or something. What are we gonna do now? What are we doing now?
I'm changing my pants right now, and then I'm
Well,
probably
yeah.
gonna edit and watch Shameless.
Yeah, we're probably gonna edit some. Cause okay, we'll be back. We were editing for about an hour, on my bed over there. Look at her bed compared to my bed.
Don't expose me.
Well, anyways, we're about to go tan, and I'm kind of tanning, but I'm probably gonna edit more, and we need more footage for day 3. So
Lucky bonus team. Period.
we've crossed the horizon to find you. I know your name.
No, you don't. Say my name. Say my name.
Say my name. Say my name.
Should I take my sock off?
Yeah. Unless you want a freaking sock can line. And this is what kitchen and living room, and then the
Wait.
balcony. Ooh, the indoor pool is steamy. I don't like the sun.
Hold on.
Oh, that was menacing. See, that's what I did.
let's look at this pose right now. She just
We're gonna say bye for now. We'll check back in later.
Yes.
What's she doing? She has no clue.
What?
Nothing.
Wow. Ew, I'm sweaty.
You're oily.
I'm luminous.
What?
Glowing. Am I tanning? Am I actually tanning?
I don't know. Maybe it's just the lighting.
Body tan.
You look kind of tan. I'm laying in the shade like a bum. We'll be back.
What?
We just got done tanning. Well, she did. I was laying in the shade.
I'm so hot. Like at one point, I was just sitting there and beads of sweat were rolling down my head. It is dying hot.
Yeah, I was editing the whole time.
Yeah, you were.
I think that video. Well, you're the one editing day 2. I'm almost done with day 3. Raspberries. I'm gonna go sit on the couch and eat these. Stay there. Don't move.
What are you looking at?
Look at the birdie outside. Look at the birdie. I don't know if you could see it because I couldn't see where I was putting it. What? Is it center? I'm doing pretty good. What does OBA mean?
What?
OBA.
Orange Beach, Alabama.
Oh. We'll be back. We're back. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Who is that?
I don't know.
Smells good in here.
We were gonna vlog while we got ready, but we were in a little bit of a rush.
30 minutes left and my hair looks like crap.
No, you did your hair in 10 minutes. 15. Barely 15.
If I had 30 minutes, it would have looked flawless.
Sorry for the bad camera quality
Yeah.
or angles.
Someone's not putting it up.
No. Anyways, we're at a seafood place right now, and we ordered
It smells very good.
Alaskan snow crabs. Hopefully the food comes out quick. Yeah. I like this water.
Huh?
I like the water.
What does the water taste like? Water?
It's tap, but it's good tap, you know?
No, I don't. I've never had good tap.
I like this water.
You
Maybe
know I
I'm
did
just
a bad
thirsty.
Ah.
I think I remember part of the lullaby. The food's here. We are doing a mukbang.
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 Oh my god. Oh my god, my
What?
my bag's falling.
Oh, there's no napkins. Are there napkins? This is what it looks like.
That's the food.
Yeah, we're gonna eat it all.
We're gonna make a happy plate.
Oh, I just dripped juice all over my bag and my pants.
I need more.
Oh, that was great. Look at that.
Oh, that's a good one. No.
Nope.
Good.
Oh, it's all down here.
It tastes like nothing. How are you getting all the good pieces? Or is that empty?
I'm the master at this.
No, it's not. There we go. Finally.
Perfect.
Drippy. Are we rationing?
Oh, there's meat right there.
Fine. Oh my gosh.
That's still good. Oh my god, I have butter on my chin.
Of the day.
Period. Oh, this is hurting my hands. Trying to crack. Oh no, I don't know if I can crack this one.
Crack.
What?
I don't get how people can be vegan when this exists.
Oh yeah.
No. 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 Ah. Ah.
I like this crab.
Oh.
Sorry, guys.
So do I just.
Yes, you wash it in and wash your hands.
That's odd. Just gonna rub them in there. Yes, finally get the wrong angle. Wrong angle. Wrong angle. Yes, get the angle. Oh. My hands are above these hands. Oh. My mom should be our camera person. It's so good. She's going for fifths or fourths.
She's going right in.
Ooh. Ooh. That's good. Ooh. Yeah. I need water. You think I fit that whole thing in my mouth? Should I try? Let's do it. I don't want. I'm not a crusty person. I don't want any crust actually. I changed my mind. Are you good? Reagan? What did you do?
Do not put the whole thing in your mouth.
We're on our way to the arcade, so we'll see you.
We're back. So we decided we're not going to the arcade. We're taking pictures today on the beach. This is the fit. We were in a little bit of a rush for the sunset, and the sun already set. So we're just gonna do nighttime pictures, and then we're gonna do guitar on the beach. Yeah. And it's a little rough. I had to curl my hair. Like, it was in a slick bag. I had to brush out the hairspray, which, if you know, you know. So and then I had to curl my hair after, and it's a little rough. It's a little rough. You can see that. But Ali, show me your fit. You're looking like Fleetwood Mac.
Yeah, it's giving Fleetwood.
Look, there's still some light. It's a deep blue sky right now, which is good.
City
Look
girl, I
like
look
the
like
background with the stuff in the back.
Yes, sis, city girl.
Sorry for the really shaky quality. I'm not worried about quality right now. I'm
You
worried
say
about
real
getting
shit
there.
or rag? Here.
I'm gonna stop recording for now, and then we're gonna do pictures. We're back.
The photos weren't even.
They
great.
weren't good. Yeah.
The wind is.
The wind
like,
is killing us.
right.
And
We could always retry
the
tomorrow.
moment I stepped outside, the humidity killed my curls.
I think that's the biggest factor here. I think we'll just have to do it tomorrow,
Look like I'm
maybe.
naked.
Oh, nudity. Censor that, YouTube. Yeah. So we're gonna play some guitar.
We're gonna have fun, and we'll get back to you later.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, so we forgot to record another outro again, but we're going to bed, and
We're well, not really. We're about to edit.
well,
Day 2 and day 3.
because I'm still not done. But yeah, good night.
Bye.
You ready to go parasailing?
Are you recording me?
Yeah.
Without my consent?
You want a paddleboard check?
No.
Do you hear their voice? It's hypnotizing. The wax is so strong, but it's not enough. I need to hear them sing that sweet
That's what the cheesecake looks like.